Over in the Arctic where the cold winds blow. Over in the Arctic where the cold waters run, lived a mother polar bear and her little cub one. Roll, said the mother. I roll, said the one. So they rolled on the ice where the cold waters run. Over in the Arctic, hopping like a kangaroo, lived a mother Arctic hare and her leverets too. Thump, said the mother. We thump, said the two. So they thumped on the tundra, hopping like a kangaroo. Over in the Arctic, paddling in the icy sea, lived an old mother walrus and her little calves three. Kick, said the mother. We kick, said the three. So they kicked with their flippers, paddling in the icy sea. Over in the Arctic, curled up on a frosty floor, lived a mother Arctic fox and her little kits four. Hide, said the mother. We hide, said the four. So they hid and they waited, curled up on a frosty floor. Over in the Arctic, where they dip and they dive, lived a white mother whale and her little calves five. Click, said the mother. We click, said the five. So they clicked and they whistled, where they dip and they dive. Over in the Arctic, where the cold waters mix, lived a furry mother seal and her little pups six. Breathe, said the mother. We breathe, said the six. So they came up for air where the cold waters mix. Over in the Arctic, gliding up towards heaven, lived a mother snowy owl and her little owlets seven. Swoop, said the mother. We swoop, said the seven. So they swooped as they flew, gliding up towards heaven. Over in the Arctic, where some creatures migrate, lived a mother snow goose and her little goslings eight. Honk, said the mother. We honk, said the eight. So they honked and they flew south, where some creatures migrate. Over in the Arctic, where the sun didn't shine, lived a mother wolverine and her little kits nine. Growl, said the mother. We growl, said the nine. So they growled and they grumbled where the sun didn't shine. Over in the Arctic, in a deep dark den, lived an old father wolf and his little pups 10. Howl, said the father. We howl, said the 10. So they howled in a pack from their deep dark den. Over in the Arctic, where the cold winds blow, Arctic animals are living in the water and the snow. Name us, say the animals, from 10 to 1. Then go back and start over, 'cause this rhyme isn't done. Over in the Arctic, you can spy with your eyes. To find more Arctic creatures, every page has surprise. The end.